People then at Brownstown. Driving through Brownstown I go out, head out and all people. Don't know. People, Brownstown we are go through. Brownstown, St. Anne's. It's one of the town. So I town still not even have people because I don't know. Even people that might try reach home so the place will stay. Right now it's square. I town of Brownstown people. I town fat though. Evening time and I town a fat man. Brownstown connect our hot little town. What if a school has up on the road though? Like at the market this. Yeah. Yeah, man, people still I go through the town at Runstone. Come on, go down on the side of the market as a people. And you don't know the place full of, you want to say the place, the town lively. Yeah, what I like about the town here. The town here is lively, you know. Trust me. Yeah, man, Brownstown, St. Anne's. You see? Lively town. Yeah, man, Brownstown with the same here, people. I know I give a notice. You know, we want to going to some local parish with people. The local town them small, you know. But Brownstown are a big local town, big town, man. Come like it are bigger than St. Anne's Bay, if you don't mind, sure. Trust me. Just come like it have a bigger market than St. Anne's Bay. Cause like you find more store, more business space, you know. That's coming like at the real town. Yeah. I'm on a Brownstown, I think. So our next spice restaurant, so two spicy about the place. One day up there, so one day so. Spicy nice. We fair. I like all the place. You know? Place active. Brownstown, active with people, trust me. As my viewers and my subscriber, passing through one of your favorite place. You can't pay. One of your people come from this community, you know. Brownstown, St. Anne's. I stop here. So big up on yourself. You see? Yeah. Can give me like comments if you know it's part of Brownstown, no? You know from, which one district in Brownstown. Yeah, man, for the next time we can pass through, but you don't see no place. You can't pay, every people just like that. You see? I wonder. Yeah, the people. So we're heading going straight down pan this. We're going to this way can go straight to Woche. Yeah, from Brownstown go right down back to Woche, is it? Our people so. But like Brownstown still Brownstown kinda active, you know? Like a place that we can park up and feel the night, cause like it's active right through the night, trust me. Brownstown Community College. Yeah, people. So this is done a sentence. Yeah. Heading out to watch you now. The paper leaving out of Brownstown. Yeah, people. So this is a night vlog of sentence.